Okay, find the angles C and D. Well, here's C. No. Write down a geometrical reason. Well, as I approach this one from here, hit C and then hit the 34, this one here must be double that one if I come from the same angle, the same direction. So C must equal 68 degrees because angle at center is twice angle at circumference. And that's the reason. That'll be 2 marks for that. Of course, you could always check it, couldn't you? Because if you measure this, it's obviously not to scale. But if you measure this 34, it wouldn't be 34. And you would find it was actually, this number here was twice as much as that. And that would give you a bit of a clue if you couldn't actually remember. It's obviously not the same angle. What's D? Well, there's 2 ways of doing D. You could know that we've got a cyclic quadrilateral here because 4 corners of the quadrilateral are on a circle, and opposite ones, this 34 and D, add up to 180. Oh. And so that one must be 146 because opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral adds up to 180 degrees. If you wanted to see it another way, you could have said actually this angle here is twice this angle, because angle, when I come from it from the same direction, if I come in, I'll do it with a green highlighter this pen this time, I think. No, I won't. I might actually. Yeah, green highlighter pen. If I come at it this way, this one here is twice this one. And we know what the first one is. We know what that angle there is. That's 360 minus 68. That's 292. And so D is 292. Divide by 2 to get this one. And that is 146. Tom draws a circle. And Jerry draws a circle with a diameter 3 times Tom's circle. So Tom's got a small one. Write down the ratio. It's going to be 1, 2. And it's the area. It's not the length. So scale factor. Length scale factor is 3, the area scale factor is 3 squared, so you want to write down 1 to 9, because 3 squared is 9. Okay, what do I need to do across over here? I need to, Barry draws a sector of a circle, because he's told me what it is. I've got to calculate the length of the arc, ST, so I've got to do all that. Well, that is most of the whole circle. And the whole circle, got the length, so the circumference is pi d. I need circumference, I'll just use pi d. So what is the diameter here? Diameter is pi, and the diameter is 8.8. So pi times by 8.8, that equals 27.6460 whatever. But I haven't got the whole circle. I've only got a fraction of it. I've got 280 360ths of that whole circle. And so what that means, you could take this number and divide by 360 and times by 280, or you could do 280 divided by 360. However you want to do it, the answer ends up being 21.50245. What will I give it at? I'll probably say 21.5 centimeters, because this angle here has been given to 1 decimal place, so this one really should be as well. Quite a long video, but that's 13 done.